How do you do? It's Lukey Poo at Kuhn Truck and RV, your little RV specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, my sisters call me Charlie, my 23 nieces and nephews call me Lukey Poo, and my kids call me Dad, but you can call me anytime at 440 Ohio RVs. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow that link, it will take you to our website where you can see pricing and information on this unit. Once this unit is sold, that link will be removed. We are a full-service dealer offering warranty, financing packages, a full-service department, and camping after your purchase at our historic Crystal Fountain Park. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 440 Ohio RVs. Again, that's 440 OHIO RVS. For sale today, we have a 2019 Roadtrek Simplicity SRT with 19,615 miles. Alrighty, folks, here we are inside of this 2018 Roadtrek Simplicity SRT. Fantastic fan, runs on the 12-volt DC coach battery system. Acts like an attic fan at night, brings the cool outside air in, or an exhaust fan for your kitchen or bathroom in here. Air conditioner in the back runs from the AC 110 power system. There's a thermostat around the corner in the bedroom area where you control the air conditioner and also the propane furnace. Burns propane there to make your heat. Uses the coach battery system to operate the fan. Easy to access the entryway here with a nice flip out. Power stations that have regular house 110 plugs, DC cigarette style plugs, and also USB makes it very convenient for charging different things and plugging things in inside these camper vans. Patio light switch, water pump, pumps the water out of the onboard fresh water tank to your sink, shower, toilet. Turn the inverter on, off. Coach battery disconnect. This is a battery voltage monitor. Levels test for different tanks here. Don't trust these. These are notoriously finicky. Water heater on, off. This will ignite itself. That burns propane. Nice counter area here with a 2-burner propane cooktop. Nice backsplash to help wipe things down if you're doing some cooking in here. Single basin sink with a plug here on the front of the cabinet. Going to be good for your coffee pot or air fryer. Microwave. Nice storage beneath the sink and stove area. Slide out pantry here is perfect for your soups, s'mores kit, ramen noodles, and other camping delights. 12-volt DC powered Vitrifrigo fridge freezer. Nice having this up off the ground and having an actual separate freezer box. Gives you a lot more room to take stuff along with you. Good sized drawer. Moving now to the bathroom area. Got some spots here you can tuck some reading materials or maps. Good sized mirrors here on the bathroom door. Good sized wet bath, not much of a step up in it at all here, so it's very easy to access the stool. Everything's going to drain into the floor in the back. You'll pull this curtain around you to contain the water better. Just had a lady here yesterday looking. She called this a bookshelf for her reading materials. Thought that was pretty cute. Got the necessaries here on the door. You can latch this from the inside to be more like this. Give you some more space in there. These latches, if they're in like this, they are locked. Open them by clicking them out. Wardrobe, power in the back is where the microwave is plugged into. Got a table leg. Show you what that looks like momentarily. AC, DC power up top. So if you want to plug things in with house style plugs for the 110 system, or if you've got stuff that works on the cigarette lighter type plugs, good power options for that here in the back. There's another power station over here. That's that tri-power station like up in the front. Thermostat and some click on-off reading lights. Windows that open on both sides. We have these screen shade sliders. So get good airflow on both sides. Nice size TV back here on a swivel mount. The rear windows do not open. You got shades you can drop down for privacy while you're parked or while you're driving. Nice size mattress with storage down here that is accessible from behind through the rear entry doors. A little cubby down here. for water heater access. I'm gonna drop you some pictures now so you can see what this stuff looks like and see the chairs up front. The mattress measures 60 inches north-south or front to back in the RV and 72 inches east-west or side to side. It's approximately 73 inches east-west from wall to wall. The storage beneath the mattress is accessible from inside or outside of the camper van. The front seats swivel and have a table, creating a second zone in this camper van. What do people that are scared of elevators do? They take steps to avoid them. Got a cubby up top here. Could put a DVD player in there or different things you want to connect to the TV. Another power station in the back with the 3-power setup like that's in here on the kitchen cabinet. Hard surface flooring makes this easier to keep clean. Got the nice curtain you can slide across in the front. As you can see, I got this front seat swiveled here. Some people, if you're traveling solo, like to use that in a more permanent position like that. This is the manuals overhead in the storage cubby. Really nice Roadtrek here. This camper van is here on consignment. We don't just consign anything. It has to be the type of stuff we sell, and it has to be nice, which this one is very nice. We've sold brand new Roadtreks here. And other than a few scratches on the outside, this thing is pretty darn clean, and it could present itself as new. Low miles. I'm going to call this an A 9 out of 10. I love the spot up here in the front. I can see a nice little footstool sitting here while the camper van is parked somewhere beautiful, perhaps reading a nice book. And while we're on the topic of books, I wanted to give a shout out to Humble Lamb. When my son Charlie was born on January 1st of this year, I decided that I wanted to get more into understanding my faith and all of our journeys here on this planet. And I knew that would be something I'd have to do to make me a better father, and a better husband, and a better friend, a better co-worker here at Kuhn Truck and RV, and to help fill me in a bigger way and give me a bigger cup to be able to do more. I love this Bible. I love that it just says the Word of God. So many different Bibles and translations out there. I prayed about which one would be right for me. Something told me that the best Bible is the one that you read. So I'm going to drop a link here to these Humble Lamb Bibles in the description below. Check this RV out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Up here in the cabin area, we have power windows, locks, mirrors, tilt cruise. Nice clean upholstery. Vinyl flooring beneath this rug, so it makes it easier to keep clean. Electrical panel here up top. Kind of hard to see, but we got nav on there. Connect your phone. Different areas for tucking your things while you're driving. Charging station setups up front, so everybody's able to keep their phones charged up for the journey. There's also a plug down here by the floor for AC 110 power. Alrighty, folks, we're gonna go around the outside of this 2018 Roadtrek Simplicity SRT. This camper van measures 19 feet, 7 inches bumper to bumper with an 11-foot manual Fiamma awning. The tires have 2917 date codes. This camper van is built on a Ram ProMaster 2500 chassis with a 3.6-liter V6 engine with 19,615 miles. Nice sturdy step. Take you up and into the coach. Another handle there on the right to help you get in and out. Propane tank is mounted to the unit, so you have to drive something to have that filled. Air conditioner, TV antenna, backup camera up top. Doors open quite a ways to give you access to the bed area and the storage beneath the bed in the back. You can access this from inside through this door. It's the awning crank and our 30 amp shore power cord. Tow package, nice for putting your bike rack on here. Table is stored in the rear door. This is the 30 amp shore power connection. Coming around to the driver's side, outside shower, keep messes outside of the van. We have both gravity and a macerator pump. Gonna do your black first, then the gray. Back of the water heater, back of the propane furnace. Fill the fuel here. Underhood generator on this unit. Fill the fresh water tank through the gray port there. Nice Roadtrek. Check this out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV Brothers.